Pack Expo this year, we're highlighting our new ISD network compatible safety equipment. ISD stands for in-series diagnostics. So what does that mean? That allows us to bring in multiple safety devices across your machine just via a multi-drop network. We can put up to 32 devices on a single network. What does that mean for you? It eases wiring and installation. It gets rid of some of those troublesome wiring errors that may occur on installation as well. Cable management, it helps you manage your cables across your machine. And with the banner illuminated e-stop buttons, it gives your operators immediate indication of where a safety has happened on a machine. Once we reset the buttons, we can put you back into a run state very quickly without your operators having to run back to an operator interface. We can integrate e-stop buttons, we can integrate interlock switches, and we can even put light curtains into our safety controller. This is our SC10, which is the brain box but behind our entire system. It's a network connection, all programmed through our free software package. This has applications across food and beverage, packaging, and the pharmaceutical markets, all of them helping you ease installation on your machine, giving you data about what's going on with the safety on your machine, and also it's helping your operators understand much more quickly what's happening with the safety on your machine. It's all part of the banner ISD network controlled by our SC10 safety controller.